Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 cheapest airlines in the world. First up at number 5 is Indigo, an Indian budget airline that offers low fares for domestic and international flights. With a fleet of over 200 aircraft, Indigo serves over 600 destinations across Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Indigo, one-way fares within India, can start as low as 1,000 Indian rupees, approximately $13 for shorter flights, while international one-way fares to destinations like Dubai or Bangkok can start at around 4,000 Indian rupees, approximately $53. At number 4 is Lion Air, an Indonesian budget airline that operates flights within Indonesia, as well as to Southeast Asia, China, and the Middle East. With a fleet of over 100 aircraft, Lion Air is known for its low fares and extensive route network. Lion Air, one-way fares within Indonesia can start as low as 99,000 rupiahs, approximately $7 for shorter flights, while international one-way fares to destinations like Kuala Lumpur or Singapore can start at around 250,000 rupiah, approximately $18. Next up at number 3 is Air Asia, a Malaysian budget airline that operates flights throughout Asia and the Middle East. With a fleet of over 200 aircraft, Air Asia is one of the largest and most popular budget airlines in the region, known for its affordable fares and extensive route network. Air Asia, one-way fares within Malaysia can start as low as 39 Malaysian ringgits, approximately $9 for shorter flights, while international one-way fares to destinations like Bangkok or Jakarta can start at around 99 Malaysian ringgits, approximately $23. At number 2 is Southwest Airlines, an American budget airline that operates flights throughout the United States, Mexico, and the Caribbean. With a fleet of over 750 aircraft, Southwest is the largest budget airline in the United States and is known for its low fares and friendly customer service. Southwest Airlines, one-way fares within the United States can start as low as $49 for shorter flights, while international one-way fares to destinations like Mexico or the Caribbean can start at around $99. And finally, coming in at the number 1 spot is Ryanair, an Irish budget airline that operates flights throughout Europe. With a fleet of over 500 aircraft, Ryanair is the largest budget airline in Europe and is known for its extremely low fares and no-frills approach to air travel. Ryanair, one-way fares within Europe can start as low as €9, approximately $11 for shorter flights, while international one-way fares to destinations like Morocco or Israel can start at around €30, approximately $36. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more top 5 lists and travel content.